teach you one more kind of adjective, that is demonstrative adjective or demonstrative adjectives. What are demonstrative adjectives? The adjectives that demonstrate or point out are called demonstrative adjectives. Once again I repeat, the adjectives that demonstrate. What is the meaning of demonstrate? Point out. So they will point out and specify particular person or thing. So that's why we can call these adjectives as demonstrative adjectives. So that's why I have written these adjectives point out the person or thing. That we will learn through the examples. So now look at first example. This book is not mine. Suppose if I take this book is not mine. So here I am pointing out this book. So that's why it is a demonstrative adjective. This book is not mine. Or else I can say this book is mine. If it belongs to me, I can say this book is mine. So I am pointing out here. That is called demonstrating. And second one, that bag is hers. That bag. So especially this that is used when a thing or person is far away, not near. Then that is used. Okay. So that bag is hers. Next one, these books are not mine. These books are not mine. When we talk about plural things, we use these. These books are not mine. And then fourth one, those bags are hers. See, we are pointing those bags are hers. So in this way we can use these adjectives. And even look at the fifth example. I don't like such people. Okay, such people, such kind of people. Such means here such kind of people I don't like. I don't encourage such things. Also we can say. So even such is also one kind of demonstrative adjective. So like this we have demonstrative adjectives only 5, and sometimes what else can be considered, but most probably we will have these 5. Okay, now once again see here, this pencil belongs to me. This pencil is mine. Singular. And these pencils are mine. Plural. So like that you can take anything and you can just tell them. If it is singular, we can say this, and if it is plural, we can say these. When we talk about nearness, for example, if we talk about the things or the persons which are far away, we use that or those. That is for singular and those is for plurals. See, that book is mine. That boy is my cousin. That tree is ours. So like that we can say now those are our relatives. Those are our vehicles. So in this way we can talk about these things. And the next one more thing what we need to remember about demonstrative adjectives is, see, I have written note, this and that are used with singular nouns and verbs, and these and those are used with plural nouns and verbs. Okay, that's what we can see here. This book is a singular, verb is singular. That bag, it's a singular noun and is plural singular verb. And these, plural noun, plural verb. Again those, plural noun and plural verb. So this we need to remember. So it's very easy. and we can remember it very well. Once again I tell, the demonstrative adjectives are the adjectives that point out are called demonstrative adjectives. We have only 5. This, that, these, those. And these demonstrative adjectives are also used as pronouns. How they are used in as pronouns, that we will learn when we learn about pronouns. So now we will learn only these things. Okay, my dear friends and children, I hope you have understood about demonstrative adjectives, and keep on watching my videos and learn so many things. Thank you very much for watching this video.